Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I'm coming up with a small tutorial on modeling a stylish chair in 3ds Max. So let's get started. So let's go into rendering view image file and we are going to model a stylish kind of a chair over here, you can say. So let's start modeling this. So let's go into the front view. Let's take a line tool over here. Let's take a line tool. Okay, so I'll just go into this and I can slightly make this a bit more straight. So I can just easily adjust this element in this way. So right click, refine it. Slightly you can just refine that. Again go into that, refine. I can add some points over here in this way. After that, let's go over here and enable in viewport. So I'll just increase its thickness. So first I'll just save this. And now I'll just create such kind of cushions over here. So let's take a chamfer box over here in this way. So convert to editable poly, select this and let's add some connects over here. Select this edge and let's add few connects and let's give a FFD box. So slightly I'm just shuffling it up. So for now what I'll do is I'll just push it in this way. I'll convert to editable poly. I'll again make a copy of this line over here and I'll go into the vertices. So I want only till here. So I'll select this segment and I'll delete this. So select this. Let's go into tools, align, spacing tool, pick path. So I'll give a bit of follow over here and I'll just add the numbers. So once you're done, you can just click on this close over here. Alright, so let's just select this part, enabling viewport, and let's slightly shuffle it in this way. So press shift and duplicate that. I'll just save the file. I'll just delete this. Select this. I'll go to the top view over here. I'll just take a line and I'll slightly shuffle this over here. So select this and let's just attach it. Vertices, right click, fuse vertices, weld vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices. Select both the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet. That's it. Alright. So I can slightly shuffle it a bit up over here. Now again let's take one more line. So let's go to the top view again. So slightly I'll just shuffle this down over here, and again let's just attach it. So select the vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, and let's again give a bit of fillet to it. So once you're done over here, so I can just convert this to editable poly. So select this. I'll go into the isolation mode over here. I can go into the modeling. I can just take some few swift loops over here. So select the polygons. So whatever is visible over here, we'll just make that. And let's click on extrude by local normal and just reduce the size and click OK. So right click on it and just click on end isolate over here. So let's go into this view over here and let's take again our arc over here and let's reduce its thickness. And slightly rotate it. So just give a color to it. So if you feel that it's very high, you can just reduce that. Okay. So you can see The same way you can model these details also. So let's take a chair, a line. Like this. So select the vertices. Let's give a bit of fillet. So give a bit of fillet again, a bit. So select this again, just duplicate that. I'll slightly scale that. Again I'll go over here, I'll select the vertices, select the segments, and let's just delete that. So right click, refine till here, and select this segment and delete it. So again select that, select this line, I'll off this enable in viewport, select this, spacing tool, pick path, okay. Pick path, and if you want you can definitely increase that points, and let's click OK. So I don't need till here, I'll just delete this, I'll select this, I'll slightly just scale it in this way. So I'll select this and increase its thickness a bit. I'll shift and drag that, and again I'll go over here, again I'll take a line tool, so select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet. Okay, much better. You can still make it more round. Alright. So I'll just delete this. I'll select this both and I'll just duplicate that. Again go to the top view, take again a line tool in this way, and just attach it. So before we attach it, we'll just make one more copy. So fuse vertices, weld vertices, and let's give a bit of So just save your file. So select this, slightly just push this up over here. So you can put one refine over here and here, like this. So just attach it. Alright. So I'll just select this and I'll just delete this. Select this whole thing over here and slightly we can push it inside. That's it. So I'll just save the file. Alright. So guys, as you can see how we have generated this kind of stylish chairs over here as a part of your interior furniture. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.